Good evening. This is Dr. Joseph. I'm here today to show you how to add two variables in Java. Now, I'll explain to you what we need. Right now, we need import java.utility scanner library. In addition, we need a class. Our class right there. Add. So, the class add will be our function. Because in Java, the class and the file must be the same. I'll explain later. After that, we'll also need a function to run the add class. Or you can do it the regular way. You can choose it the regular way, which is like just put in here, int A or int B, and it's in that you can actually make your own little Java file. Or in this case, we use our library, which is scanner, and pass on our code. And the reason why I have this n right here is because I'm going to use my scanner. I'm going to use my scanner, this variable right here, as a reference to my scanner library. So let's get to the good parts. I'm going to write a little line of code. Called send.out.print. And the reason why I write the code called send.out.print is because I want to print a message, so I can engage the user to create a certain action, and that action is to type out a variable or a number or value. Okay. I forgot some. Oh wow. We're actually forgetting something, and I realized my mistake. We're gonna have a function we can use that we must use in order to run this code in the first place, which is public static void main. And this function will allow us to run and debug our code. Similar to like most programs in C, C++. You need a function that you need a main function that can actually print out or test code. And like that's your Java code, your C code, or C++ code. And you need that just so you can see if your code works or not, or is it basically print out the arrays correctly, or basically print out the values correct, the values in the way that you wanted it to in the first place. Basically, code is art, and if art doesn't reflect your vision, it won't be good. So, I will delete the code right here and copy and paste it. And now that's what we see now. You see two variables, and we see a print line. Unlike print, this will actually create a new line. The new line will be used in reference to create another line for space for a statement, or in this case, to make your code look better, to make it look clean, make it look gorgeous, make it look handsome. So, how these two variables will actually get their values? Pass it on. Assign them. Our little in-class variable, our little class instant object, which means inheriting taking all the code from scanner library, will be used to input values in A and B. Thus, fixing one of our conundrums. So, what do we have next to do? We're going to get our sum. We're going to add these two variables, right? I'm going to use this print line, and I'm going to use this another variable. And although you don't need another variable, which I'll explain in another video, I'm going to use this just to show you why. Show you the results of our code. The results of our program, the results of our labor right now in this 4 or 5 minute video. Or a 7-minute video in this case. Now, we will print out the last of our code, or last of our number code, and we'll find out what our sum will be. And this sum, we run this code. Well, print line will allow me to actually acquire a new line, or add a new line, or create a new line. This statement will allow me to actually create space between the two codes, between the two programs. Or in this case, will actually allow me to have like new code right here. Okay. All right. Hope I explained that correctly. Now we'll run our code, and we'll see what we will have. See, the program is prompting me to enter a number. I enter 12. And due to me not having like another variable or another statement here, I'll enter another number, which is 24. And our sum will be 36. Thank you, and have a good night.